Part 1. Addition and mixing of Forta Ferro. One potential issue when adding dosages of 3, 5, or 7.5 pounds per cubic yards of any macrosynthetic fiber is the possibility of balling or undistributed clumps of fiber remaining in the concrete when it is discharged from the truck. Basically, there are 3 areas of concern that can affect fiber distribution. 1 is the fiber addition point, 2 is the mixing time and speed, and 3 is the fiber shape and packaging. This video will address these 3 areas of concern and provide solutions to prevent balling and clumping on your next project. If the fiber is tangled in the package it arrives in, it is unlikely to untangle with 4,000 pounds of wet concrete laying on top of it. The shape of the fiber and the way it is packaged are the most important elements towards obtaining uniform distribution. Some macrosynthetic fibers are single strands of fiber, which are packaged in a mixer-ready bag. When adding single strands of fiber with a high aspect ratio, long and thin, they will tend to tangle around each other and create clumps. Forta Ferro's macrosynthetic fibers are grouped together using a patented twisted bundle technology. This allows for the introduction of fiber at a low aspect ratio. During the mixing process, these bundles spring apart, resulting in single fibers with a higher aspect ratio, the appropriate balance between great mixing and great reinforcement capabilities. Due to the rotation of the mixing drum, the fibers, when added last, will be drawn down through the concrete and completely dispersed. It is extremely difficult for the fibers to travel against the grain back up the drum if they are added as a first ingredient. It takes approximately 5 minutes of aggressive action and resulting friction to allow the bundles to spring apart and disperse. Sufficient friction is not created when drum is turning slowly, for example during the travel time. In summary, add the fibers as the last ingredient and mix at recommended speed for a full 5 minutes to eliminate any balling or clumping issues. Thank you for your consideration and the use of Forta products. We hope this video answers any questions you may have about adding and mixing Forta Ferro. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact your local Forta representative or technical department at 1-800-245-0306.